Hello everyone, we came back to a project of the Tesla Model Y. We received all new parts. 90% of the parts has been bought from the Tesla main dealer. From the dealer we just now buy the wings, bonnet, bumper and one of the headlight. Another stuff, all of them stuff we bought from the Tesla. And we start to fit everything back. Finally we collect the car, body work is done, everything is alright. Now we're going to finish the another jobs. What is left, we're recording the airbag ECU and sort of problem with the heating. Now we have put the diagnostic machine and have a look what is the problem. And finally, yes, the airbag module is coded. Now it don't have the faults, and heating we have sorted problem as well, where we have filled the coolant system and now heating working as well. And last step we put the under tray on the vehicle and just it vehicle been done. Everything fine, and yeah, congratulations, this one car now finished and going to the new customer.